my name is Catherine Hawthorne, and welcome to our YouTube channel show. It's something out of nothing, and the reason why we've created this show is because Canadians throw out the most garbage of anyone else. And so in response to that, we're showing people that you can take items that were to have ended up in landfill and repurpose them, paint them, add things to them, and make them once again part of your life. In this episode, what we're doing is we're taking frames that people have come in and they have not wanted. They wanted me to throw them away. So what we're doing is we're painting them up, putting chicken wire, making them picture hangers, mirrors, trays, all sorts of things, and we're going to show you how to do it right here in your own home. So first you want to prepare the frame for painting. So you want to sand off all of the old finish, you want to prime it, and then you want to choose your paint that you're going to be using. With the picture with the chicken wire, what you want to do is put your chicken wire down, cut the amount that you need, and then take your staple gun and staple it around. And as you're stapling it, you just want to give it a little bit of a stretch so that in the end it's nice and tight. After you've got all of the nice and stretched, you want to take your pliers and then you just want to cut off and bend over those little wires that are sticking up so that they don't give you a cut. And this is how they look finished. And they're awesome. They look great. We decided to make trays out of these smaller frames. So again, we prepared them, sanded them, primed them, painted them. But then we came against a huge block as what to put down as the material. So we went and visited Kathy at So Here So Now, and she helped us with deciding on a material. And she had this awesome, brilliant idea of using repurposed recycled leather that she had. So we decided on this beautiful hot pink and this kind of rustic black leather. So after those were chosen, prepared, we came back to the workshop. We mounted them onto the board. Then in the back, when we turned them over, it was kind of like, okay, what do we do now? So we had this brilliant idea of putting material in the back because it just didn't look quite right. So again, back to Kathy, So Here So Now, and again she helped us decide on a material that was appropriate with the hot pink and the black. And then back to the workshop again, and then glued the material around with fabric glue, and they look pretty awesome. So for some of the frames, we made them into chalkboards. So again, we've sanded, primed the frames, and painted them in the various colors that we wanted. And then we got plywood cut to the size of the frame, and then again prepared the wood, sanded, primed, and then put on your chalkboard paint. You're going to have to put on about 3-4 coats of chalkboard paint to make it really opaque. But other than that, they look awesome in the end and multi-purpose for your home. A couple of the frames, we did some mirrors, and they look awesome. So again, prepared the surface of the frame, sanded, primed the frames. We chose a beautiful spray painted gold kind of champagne color for one of them, and then for the mirror, we went off to Suburban Glass and Mirror in Pickering, and they cut us some nice pieces of mirror that go into the frames. So as a nice finished product, They look fabulous. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel, Something Out of Nothing. You can subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you know when future episodes are being put up. Leave a like or comment. We'd love to hear from you. If you're doing a project of your own, we can highlight that. And follow us on social media, Framing Dames Facebook, website, and Instagram and Twitter. Come into the store. You can purchase some of the projects that were done here, and you can check them out. I'll see you on our next episode, where we'll be using these. Very exciting. No. Right here in your own home. I guess not right here in your own home, because here is not here. In your own home. Not here. Icons. Oh God, I gotta read this. Reproducing.
You've done any of your own?
Reproducing. Oh yeah, you put reproducing there.
Oh, okay.
That's your fault.
That is my fault.